released to the mainstream, but they are coming. They are coming. And some companies that have access to this technology have been infusing this technology into clothing, where the superconductor has a receptor touching your skin, right? And what it does is it will test your biometrics, but also fluids, all that sort of stuff, and it's going to give you a read. Now, I stood in front of a machine, looked into it with my eyes. I was not looking into something, but I was standing there, looking with my eyes. It was doing a scan of my eyes, and within 30 seconds, I had a biometric sheet telling me about my heart function, my liver function, this is real, right? This is real. So the ability for technology and AI, the consumption of the integration of functional AI, I'll call it functional, meaning usable and real, is extraordinary. Wearables are going to change the game for us as people in how we interact and how we communicate and how we work. That's a big change that's coming and it's evolving. The ability for our health and assess our health is going to be far more transparent, a lot more faster. We're going to be able to see or perhaps jump ahead of problems that we may have with our health that we can solve. Some of the AI super pill technology, like even going down to medicine, AI medicine, there is some really weird shit that people are working on when it comes to AI and medicine. Like seriously, I saw the robot. I saw the robot, the first robot that did an actual surgery with AI. So no human hand guiding the robot. It was driven by an AI memory to produce a pancreatitis or pancreas removal. So this robot, without a human touching it, was programmed to remove the pancreas of a woman. And this happened last year. And I saw the robot that did it. It was insane. Like I'm going, we're in alien technology, right? We're getting into the movies here, but it's doing that. The other thing I saw was a representation where it was a 100% AI-driven medical tech lab. So immunizations, viruses, DNA testing, all driven by AI and robots, no humans involved, right? The only humans involved is in a directorate, a terminal operator like Jen shared. The only human that is involved was a directorate terminal operator that oversaw the output, right? And then there's all the people who are observing it. So all these humans are observing the thing, right? So it's coming. There's going to be some really cool stuff happening. We're going to see more and more of this going on. More and more service robots, more and more of that technology, and our capabilities to use this technology is going to evolve very, very quickly. Our assimilation as humans, you might think, we're going to be overwhelmed. They're going to be, our brains are going to explode and all that sort of stuff. Yes, our brains are going to explode. They will, right? It's already creating social problems. It's already doing it. Understand that AI has not been with us for 3 years since ChatGPT launch. AI has been with us for more than 150 years.